Hello students, we are going to do exercise 4.4 of maths. In this we will solve some word problems. See, Johan's monthly income is rupees 8,000 and his monthly expenditure is rupees 4,690. Find his monthly saving when savings equals to income minus expenditure. So firstly what we will do, we will write here Johan's monthly income. Johan's monthly income, so that is equals to rupees 8,000. So we will write here 8,000. Okay, next we will write his monthly expenditure is, or his expenditure his expenditure is rupees 4,690. So we will write here his expenditure is equals to rupees 4,690. So now we have to find his monthly savings. Now we will write here his monthly savings So here firstly formula is given to us that saving is equals to income minus expense. So like this way we will here minus 4,690 from 8,000. Now 0 minus 0 0, from 0 we cannot minus 9, so we will take one borrow, but from 0 we can't take borrow, so firstly this 0 will take borrow from this 8. Here 10, then here it becomes again 10. Now from 10 it here 10 minus 9 1, here left 9, 9 minus 6 3, here left 7, 7 minus 4 3. So your answer is rupees 3,310. So this is the monthly saving of John. Like this way you have to complete other parts of this exercise. Now next exercise, see exercise 4.5, evaluate the following. Here we have to evaluate, means some numbers are given to us with plus sign and minus sign. So we have to find the answer of these questions or sums. Okay, so how we will do it? We will solve second part firstly, that is 340 plus 480 minus 275 minus 25. So how we will do this part? Firstly we will check in which numbers contain addition sign or not any sign. Like 340, it does not has any sign, so we will write it here firstly. Okay, then next which number has plus sign? This 480, so we will write here 480. Okay, and we will add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 8 12, 1 carry, 3 4 4 4 8. So here it comes 820. Now we will see which number carry negative sign or minus sign. So here which sign is there? Minus. We will not write minus sign, but we will write that number, okay, in one column. Now here 275, next is 25, so we will write it here. Then we will again add these two numbers. Now here what come? 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 8 1 8, 9 10, 1 carry and 3. Okay, so we get two answers. First is 820 and second is 300. Now to find the answer of this full sum, what we will do? We will write bigger one number upper side and smaller one number downside, and then we will do subtraction. At last we will do subtraction. So here it comes 0 minus 0 0, 2 minus 0 2, and 8 minus 3 5. So this is your answer, 520. See one more question, like sixth part is there. 6,760 minus 2,586. Okay, then minus 1,540, and then plus 470. So here we have written the statement. Now how we will do it? We will again see in which number positive sign or not any sign is there, like this way 6760, and next is 470. So we will add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 7 13, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry, and then 7. So here it becomes 7230. Now we'll find the numbers which have minus sign, that is 2586, and next is 1540. Again we will add these two numbers. So 6 plus 0 6, 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry, 2 3 4. So we get two numbers 7230 and 4126. Now what we will do, we will subtract these two numbers. We will subtract a smaller number from bigger number. So we will write here 7230, which is answer of first, and then we will write 4126, which is answer of second. Now we will subtract these two. See, from 0 you can't minus 6, so again take borrow. 10 minus 6 4, here left 2, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 1 1, and 7 minus 4 3. So this is your answer, 3104. Like this way you have to do all these 6 parts.